it up and make some noise for Noella Ediku.
For me, so my head in no dey house. If I see her again.
Right from day one, na Noella Ediku, na I know you as. But recently, you can't add one name, they join your name. I am wet. I know it's not normal.
My real name is Noel.
Okay.
And Noel Omine Christmas.
Okay.
We mean Evu, Gege,
Yeah.
Omi.
Okay.
But at a time, there is my colleague Oseme Frances.
Okay.
Frances Osunde.
Okay.
Who is now Frances Osunde Okungbowa, Mrs. So I always call her Franco. Membowa tie Franco. You know you do me Noella.
Oh.
You do me Noella.
Okay.
So people now just easily forget about Noel. Noella. And Noella is also a very almost the same thing.
Yeah.
So I just pick the name. Okay. That is how I come about Noella. Then also the other part again.
I am wet.
That one came as a result of a movie new titled A Fine Boy.
That is why I want you to be mine. You see, precious here, it's you I want.
Yes.
Take this one aside.
But this one, the word of God already
I'm aware. The word of God in me, you help me to tell me. We are timing man. That's what I want. That's what I need you for. I want to take you as my wife.
Like seriously?
Yes. You know?
Brother Desmond, didn't know na Emma. Precious or Serena. No, put gay. Pass fellowship,
Pass fellowship, and let's do it together.
No, we Christian here with me. Oh my God, this is temptation. But Desmond will be assessing me now. Oh God, I'm wet. Oh Jesus, I'm wet. Oh, Desmond, you are wet. Oh my God. What boy?
Don't worry, baby.
Okay.
It was directed by Meima Swain.
Okay.
So, even before moving the K47, Akela Jameki Atimene, Brother Desmond, oh my God, I am wet.
Okay.
I am wet. So, because of that, a wetting on your email, once we want to show any Brother Desmond, me wetting.
He's a love me.
When I really confess, I trust the one I said this guy is true. Let's make some noise for the brother, my friend, so Christian.
You go make us understand when exactly you came.
When I come, I entertainment industry.
Okay.
I sat there. ESAF.
Okay, ESAF then.
ESAF.
Okay.
So after me graduating in the school, Federal Polytechnic Auchi.
Yeah.
Me now industrial training. Even this late pa Brana TV.
Okay.
So I make my intention known to him. We gave me only who.
Okay.
Even though when me study accounting, but I love entertainment.
Okay.
So that was 2007.
Okay.
So 2007, MLI, movie industry. So since then.
So you've been on ground.
Yes.
You've been on ground since 2007. So since 2007 and really, when we're talking about 2007, because the industry is not that easy, you understand, considering the challenges and all. You're supposed to recall your first movie.
Yes, I must. You see, what a coincidence.
Okay.
My first movie, Ikwe Meeting, directed by Lancelot Oduwa,
brother to the same army.
And the movie that also kind of changing my name a bit now is also directed by his younger brother, Ame Imaso. So my first movie is Ikwe Meeting.
Okay.
I played the nurse.
Okay, you played the role of
nurse.
a nurse. And okay, is that where people were thinking at the time where you even they do nurse, they join you?
At the time, and even if you say nurse, nurse. A movie was my first movie, and I was acting a nurse.
Because the last time I checked, people they say, okay, outside acting,
you will not see by.
We will not see
by.
Although you know that we're more injections or is that what you're telling us? Okay, now. Okay, let's focus on that area. Okay, now, are you now outside movie? Are you now telling us that you don't do anything outside movie?
Of course I do.
Okay, what else?
I do. At the time I was into clothing business. Now I'm a boutique.
Okay.
And because of time, when you need entertainment, you need a time.
Sacrifice. Yeah.
Sacrifice. You have to sacrifice your time. Who are devoted that time.
Okay.
So you know we do close it down. But now, I'm into other business.
Okay.
In a shop.
Okay.
And I can all kind of beverages, wine.
Okay.
You know, name it.
Okay.
You know, that is the shop.
So that's what you mostly do outside
my
movies or business.
Yes.
Okay, now I am about to ask you one question when BC may not go down well with you. You understand? Okay, let's assume now when you're a diva or so now the industry they take much time and it need time. It need devotion, as you said not quite long. It needs sacrifice. So without before you where I left that still make you say okay now may you venture into that area and without thinking twice, be like say the area still they favor you. What if for example now they say me you quit one for one?
Without thinking twice, without even considering anything, I will quit my business, my wine business for
the acting.
Because it's part of me. Or noisy no one you don't pay certificate as a trained accountant all the way moving not just a movie I started with a language movie. So who you know me after many years near Bonne Cando all those sacrifices cool. Movie out. They the way one shop up no.
Why am I winner? I feel you
Obama president they shout for so. America president they shout for so.
You mean say they call him Muke?
No be one Muke or not two Muke. A man one Muke now. A mean. Do you know the waka well? Your leg not straight for ground.
Zogo, my head in no dey house. If I see her again.
Aruba, now you be Aruba. Me go use you as alubara. Iya when they steal, use and make chicken for my boys.
Of course, not to the apple.
Why you don't go my phone? Emi na my me on your eke na my yo. Emi na my on your eke na my.
Wait, I'll destroy this phone. I'll destroy this phone.
Wait, we say anything I just buy after I just suffer finish. Buy something. The night the Lord come collect am.
Yeah, oh no, yeah.
How you like? Who break bottle for there? Who be that true? Where's my son?
Hey, you come and say, hey, you call the bank woman. Why Babekia? Okay, then you be Bangali.
The police, if what's a rebel, Mexico is so good.
Scatter town. Blood go flow. Head go roll.
Because say na peace, they are mad. Who be this one? Now they crazy.
If I make you no talk, you are destined to talk. It's top on here.
Man, come over here. Now they crazy.
Noella Ediku, aka I am wet. I am wet. Still with that. Mama, you made mention of Father Brown at of his blessed memory. So, are you now telling us where you were in the So, you can't waka meet you, you waka meet.
And then I was serving in Office of Auditor General. Result right now outside. Now we're IT. So a day came, you are doing a break on about so
and we already seen him as a star.
He's a star.
Yeah, a mega star to the core.
I'll be like dying to meet one of these stars. I never had the opportunity.
Yeah.
So when the opportunity came that day, in about grabbing. Yeah. So he begged Ogbera, no problem. Then a meeting Thursday, I think last Thursday of the month or so. So now they Thursday meet already. So I went there with a friend. I'm not with the that is how it started.
Are you also a member of AGM?
Yes.
And a member of ESA that is finally changed to M? So now, if you are asked to give kudos to to your boss in the game, then everything will still go. You still channel everything through to that angle, which is Father Brown.
Yes, because if he only accepted me that day working a man, then probably by now.
Maybe you for they know where, or you for they do your accountant.
You understand? Yeah, Kigere.
I love that. A big all right. So you know when you said you're a member of AGM, so another thing came to my mind because the way in the industry be here in Benin, and the way most especially the way the female they raise the bar. Should I say some of them now, whether they don't make some of our directors here a damn subject, or maybe it's like they don't too much, they don't just that believe in what the people have here. So maybe they just believe saying out there the things they happen, you understand? So you being a member of AGM, that's to show you also get passion for English movie also. They do English movie. So if person call you, give you English speaking films, gladly accept them. Okay. So now see you join the crew when say film no get language.
Film no get language.
Whether a Yoruba,
anyone
gladly accept anyone.
Yes.
Okay now. And do you know that recently a lot of our actresses now don't realize or should I say they don't believe now say English movie not really happen for Benin. That the AGM we have here, not who they give them waiting than they want. Say now, so that now I can inspire most of them. Then they relocate down to Asaba recently. So you some say they will even pack now to go Asaba. So I wonder what your intention be because the last time I checked, now the same lineage now you deal with those. I'm gonna be doing this real time. So are you planning to relocate to Asaba also?
Not at all. Not at all. Okay. I don't know. Or but when we do and obi go here meeting ya where who that way to the park do total can anywhere ero ni here ni we or we go no dey egba so man do keke ni manage ma that is aside one game when so na me wey man some of us now we go outside the state I applique a directory when no direct when man be do mama hiyo when you are not ready to learn, you are not ready to advance. You at a time I think television camera black and white. So we are so
with the support of remote.
You cannot tell me where the name where one way a class man who prefer black and white. Okay. I don't know. So most of director man only advance. Only web near how they feed the know it all. And entertainment
our upgrade. It has everything to do with timing.
Yeah. Every day you upgrade. Yeah. Every day. When I started, I saw a movie. Oh, well, let's you have to whether redhead.
Yes, redhead.
Yeah. But now,
okay. Now, Kino Fno come out at the time. No, Sola,
when you for me anything. You see, when you are working on it, director
try. Yeah, we should go along with the timing.
Yeah. Sometimes we are probably maybe a program. If it takes you to go back to school,
for the seminar.
We are learning this is a great thing. Maybe where another level they don't know. But one no home, nobody are you worried. I'm my brother. You went and I agree on saying, Mamma, it will take you more than 2 or 3 months. We acquire that knowledge. So, me, I know when I've been moving in now. I get better than I can work. When Tata, a movie, are you any? What a time is here, as if you know, is enough. I'm where you're tired, Bama, where you're over. No, a movie in my bag, and I'll be on a yoga about where the ring go to bag, ring go, I get a market, I get a park. Oh, international, go viral. Even people they want to sell our movies now, so you have to upgrade. Also, me. They saw in Amien we are here outside the door. We are here, a director of Kodoni, the young.
So, meaning right now, you are not against the plan?
Not at all.
You are not against the move?
Sometimes.
So, where, so whatever pleases you,
do it.
Is what you do. But you know, by you saying that as a public figure, if you said if that happens to be your word, where whatever pleases you is what you do. So automatically, meaning if your mind, because some people they say whatever makes you happy, do it. So if you now, as a public figure, you can't pronounce because you know the last thing you'll be mirror of the world. You know what I'm saying? So if you pronounce, say make people now. So if whatever pleases them is what they do. I mean if their mind tell them make they keep person to do that's what pleases them. Make they keep.
Good. I like that question. One again, there's no way we have changed your mind on one.
Okay.
When I say well, it's what pleases you that you do, I'm saying it in a positive way, not a negative way. You understand?
Okay.
In a way, if no please way anywhere, where because when someone we kind of where I'm not when I don't have you know, when so many about ourselves. Yeah, by the way, I got many.
Yeah, only a bro, my dad.
If not wrong, I can't. So we want. And what the one who would listen to Eddie Managbonta, like Moania Tagbe, most times, on money because the words they are not ready to tell you the truth. Sometimes they go on my way, they want to change your mind. So that you hear where at the end of the day, so if you think that you're not Yauna or Mame, it will benefit me, then go ahead.
Are you looking for a place where you can get quality ironworks for that your fantastic building plan? Or are you looking for solid burglary proof to keep intruders away? Then worry no longer, as you can count on Omori Steel and Fabrication to give you the fantastic iron fabrication to make your building outstanding. Make I not go lose my face. Blessings fall on me. For bookings and more information, please call 081-79-111-024 or you can contact us on our Gmail, amorifab@gmail.com. Omori Steel and Fabrication, quality at its finest.
Okay, Mama. So far, you pronounce that was a word from you. The Ikwe meeting. Okay, so since Ikwe meeting till today, I believe you can still be able to figure out how many movies when they don't feature you, what you don't do finally.
It won't be a good idea. I should start lying right here. So I can't get the exact figure. But the end where so far I've featured in over 50 movies. More than 50 movies. So he ain't here. Because I know ladies here it's over. Ladies here think she's over 15. So who do you imagine?
Nikkei, for years. Okay, so out of all these movies when you don't do, you suppose get favorite on your own.
Favorite.
Yeah, among them all.
I wish I'm committed to mention them.
Okay, 3. Then go ahead.
Okay. I'll first of all pick my first movie, Equemity.
Okay.
Because Equemity gave me a platform.
Okay, to operate on.
To operate on. I sat there. Then another movie. Oh yeah, that a fine book. Because if I'm to choose among all these three, I'll still choose a fine book. So then, after a movie, I will also choose my movie, which is Inogani.
Yeah, I was coming to that because recently you ventured into producing. You ventured into production. Let me use a general word. Because before, normally, generally in a production they call them, but on your own, can they do movie of your own? But I hope you never venture into directing.
But I think
soon. You're working on it, like seriously. Right. So now, recently, because the last time I checked, I saw something on Facebook, Noella Production, right? Somebody tell me say you don't produce more than one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So you still record the title?
Yes, my first movie was every time for the road.
But as far as saying that you're not supposed to.
I know.
Because now, if you come to think they make people they understand say the movie not be you get it.
No, sorry. Okay. Sorry audience. Okay. When life is not so, my first movie is Otami.
Okay. Of your own.
Yes, my very first production. Yeah, surprisingly. A music in the studio. Yeah, feature Akoberian. It feature Two-Face. It feature Buenaga, Ifles Akaba. Two beg. Or easier. It can feature Akobe, it can feature Two-Face, it can feature Ifles Novia Kaba. Very soon I line up here now. You see, it great in there. Again, do proud of me. Yes. Even this after this one, flavor your feature. 1 year, you want to line up with Two-Face now. 50 cents ire, flavor ire. But then one
still on it. Still on it. And Kate still with Noella Ediku, aka I am wet. I am wet, and the thing they trigger me one time. I swear down. All right, Mama. No, you know, the industry. Where there is no rules, there is no offense. With the way the industry be now, you don't need any confirmation to know that. Some say he did zigzag. Some say he just, they move. Say he just a jerk, front and back. Some say he just did static. Some say everything just, get IP. So to you, in one word, how can you give a description to the industry? The present,
the movie industry.
Yeah. Is it moving forward or the thing go back?
The movie industry in Edo State is moving forward.
Okay. So you on your own, what do you believe say we the lack for the industry?
What we the lack? I believe saying the same sermon all of us now we sing every day.
Okay.
Our government, they know they support us. Number one, and number two, be say make all of us make we try, make we upgrade. That one and about one thing as I talked on before. Yeah. Whether you be actor, whether you be director, or you be production manager, or any field say you dey, any office say they occupy for entertainment industry for Edo State, make we try, make we dey upgrade. No talk say I don't know and finish. Trying to work on yourself.
Yeah, that's a true word from Noella Ediku. But still on it, because I will be my phone. Among those your movies, when you don't produce, but the ones who others don't call you, I believe you don't experience some stress in some movies, because as far as you don't feature in more than 50 movies, you understand? You don't experience some stress when we say man for some movies when we say man will make you want to quit the work. Yes. So among those movies, I wonder the ones when you don't be challenging, when you don't face many challenges. You understand? You go nearly want to quit the movie. Say man, I beg you. When you go, most especially what our people always say. or even if you want to pay me 1 million, yeah, you will make it. You understand? So I wonder what you got the exact movie.
I really don't want to mention names.
Okay.
And because of name, when okay. This year, I don't know what happened.
Yeah.
Because that job was shot in a film. Was shot in a Aduha.
Okay.
Not just this recent one because
yeah.
I came back yesterday.
Yeah.
Onona was shot about 5 to 6 months ago, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
My brother, he make a movie be Taiwan where he may work they may have via reset me.
Really?
He was via
I'm even a while via
where he won a you say no.
I'm even a while
he may gonna be so where I ran no. Oh, it's better where may have gone do.
No.
Then maybe make it with him. I've never been stressed like that.
Okay, the technical aspect of it was stress you. I bet I married the set. I be what really happened. I bet the director was just too naive.
If I married, number one.
Okay.
The director never money go back. Also, now have a ban where me where director okay. Then you check.
Yeah. Within yourself. Yeah.
The director was something else.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Where a location, nothing is moving.
Okay.
You know what they start? Bangu nania. Director camera garo. A director gala set. Oh, I tell you women. But yeah, did on it. Ever location for like 3 days. They say, "Mama, we got you take a view." Then we are here.
Because you check your schedule. You work with timing. You have a lot of things to do. Oh my goodness. And unlike what you've been doing before and what you'll be experiencing. And without thinking twice also, we've come to realize that most of you made mention of Branatine, but the areas, you know, say for this industry, you get some set of people when they are addressed as Amufi Squad. I don't know if you are aware of them. So even their box over there, Omabe Santos, so the guy can boldly address himself and say sometimes on Facebook and say that God hand they Amufi Squad. And not just recently. Almost right from the one, we mostly they see for the angle. We can even say maybe now Sarah and introduce you to the industry. Okay. So you always work with them. Whatever any movie whether they shoot, you are always there with them. So I wonder how the relationship within you and them, how the relationship is it that strong?
Without fear of
and since all this while the waiting bind all of them together never still.
No.
Okay.
Like I said, without fear of favor, me I'm a full bona fide member of Amufi Squad.
Okay.
But me I'm orange.
Okay.
I'm making menagbo.
Okay.
We not saying any producer not tell me, director tell me we're doing me. He may have baby here because I'm not getting the only up by
okay.
So but I'm a full member of Amufi Squad. Okay. Talking about the bond, not bind there in my Yakubu. When I say Vaku, up by Konokba, on your Z, the person, the leader, is squad, the person of Osaro Igwe. I'm sure you have met him. It's a very easygoing person.
Okay.
I want to cool headed, don't want to miss son. I'm sure with the reason the squad na hero. Or the reason because he doesn't really see as it wrongs the man who die or no man who die. When you are working with him, you feel relaxed. You feel that we see ourselves as like brother and sister. So he is the reason why
you are still with them and you are still there comfortably without complaining. But do you also know that a lot of people out there, they do see, you get movies when they come from that angle. You understand? And I am sorry to say, I don't still tell Osaro 101 before. Oh, sorry, Bros Osaro 101 because I'm a senior man. See, a lot of people, some people do complain. Yeah, we are now. The life in you understand? But the complaint when they come from that angle, say the movies when they do there, some people because say the movies when we say they will shoot like 50 scenes, no interior. There are some of amazing projects when they come from that angle. Amazing, like when I mean amazing, not in the but in negative way. They get the way they just do the thing before you just know, I don't want to address it as a quack, project. But people do complain, say it can movies, when they come out from. So as a mega star, understand, if you say some of those movies, if you get the way, if they boost career or if you get the way, go to affect your career. Okay, so to you, how you see the issue?
Well, as for that, as Osaro, his kind of person is a very compassionate being. Okay. And when men so run now, they don't have enough funds near with production. Okay. They run to him. Okay. Being somebody no bottle him. Yeah. Even the cash is not enough. Yeah. Near here with a production. Always near. Okay. They no say. Okay. And another thing is that where they know where or a fast way now. Yeah. A location as a director. Yeah. Then you see. They must have packet in winner gear. Aware, I want to shoot 5 things for 1 week. Okay. They won't just stop there. I'll be going over to me with me. I'll be the story. Yeah. My brother, the story my God. If he may have a story, me you're not gonna take it. He will not be able to think where. Yeah. Think where when we have.
Because a situation where you have 5 movies line up. Film should be a serious business.
You understand? So
a film line up 5 movies in 1 week.
That is one of the reasons. Okay. No cause he have done some fantastic jobs. Okay. No, there are some good jobs. No care. I'm okay. But at the time. Because he was trying to be considerate. Now where one 5 jobs, 6 jobs. Do you know at a time 1 week it should be 1 week. On one we have with 10 films.
In 1 week.
I'm telling you. So me now Lelian will
advertisement,
me we say 7 work, make a travel. Okay. It was me sort of where do get we story na kauna do kono. Yeah. It's not as the guy is a very good script writer, a director. But when I go now, I do told him my story. Yeah. I do tell him who do you know me do tell him. Who do me upon your job? It's not that the guy is good. He ain't get my so complain. And mind you, jealousy with them. Okay. Because wagging when I know make a mufire or boonse. The man so very raw. He tell me always because one me when I know we una my brother. Oh, I beg you not without what we only. If I met you well. Yeah. Or my met you in Weuni. He said no, you kudos in way. Yeah. How do you know?
Right. All right, sir. People in the house, people in the building, people in the market, people everywhere. Most especially if you happen to be an enthusiastic supporter to the program titled The Platform, you are still with Noella Ediku. Don't forget, I am wet. I will go on a break. Because in work when I'm Tassie, I will be right back.
The thing is, Otun, he marry even no ya with me. He marry understand the behavior at all. Hey, my boy, yes, when you order act funny. Then when it's here, when maybe no water, then a mirror. No when me mind, no again, time me. No time me. Because me marry understanding,
sister. Oteme ni weta na emo teme. Iye mo teme no se le gbe. Mo boy. Imaya yo photo re no. Imaya yi.
No wonder. Ni me no wota ba. Agree we family one. E modern life now. A grown up boy we ni eje ni na ye we mi e do ke ni je metata.
Sister. Won teme ni. Yo pa o mo pe ami je ni. So if you marry Italia with me, yes, yeah, the money you do. Yeah, so what I have go. If you have you ready, all guys you no kaji. Don't worry. Trust me. Me no na my baby.
Trust me.
Your girl.
I trust
you. Don't worry. Okay.
Well. Well, I don't know. Trust when I hear where I'm to go.
I beg you, man. The way you came here. So, what is that? They want to ski the building.
All right, still with Noella Ediku. Mama, you know, considering like I always say most times, you know, considering the names and the description people do give to the industry from afar.
Yeah.
You understand? And if you see, as you talk just now, according to you, see you study accountant, you know, understand, way back, you know, in school. I wonder if your parents invest such money to put you for school, and at the same time you can't stand before them. You speak a movie language na Swahili for some parents, you understand? Not until you are there, not that they don't watch it, but you understand, because they know say the process when they follow. A lot of some of our parents, they are aware, so it's not the easy, you know, journey. So I wonder how your parents feel when they call me, they support them.
No, my parents no support.
Okay.
Yes, it doesn't really, go down well with them.
Okay.
Like telling them I want to go into entertainment.
Okay, then how you can't take a job then?
Just like as I said before, when you feel that this thing is good for you, go ahead and do it.
Okay.
So as at then, be true education. I'm not from a rich family.
Okay.
I was not born with a silver spoon.
Okay.
If there is a word I will use, apart from maybe thank God I thank my immediate elder sister, person of Mrs. Osagi.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
She sponsored my education.
Okay.
Right from where you are very, very bright. You are brilliant. You go now in a school, who are just a training. So Sabai where you must job only, but again, me young was again, me I just school or Sabana do junior. So she sponsored my education.
Okay.
So I may graduate in I was doing my industrial training. We made me okay. Before them, may true. A certificate ni agwale nguna iye many banks they no involved no aya here when do
yeah.
My brother
the amount was much
it was just too much.
Okay.
So I said entertainment me what like, let me just but after my parents, they didn't accept it. How can so you mean all these years we go back baby school and you go on 20 years education we over area now my area. But then I like it. So me about a location. If I come back, if I greet my parents, most times I call them when they're away. Do you know I will also forgive me my parents anyway. My dad is late. Forgive me. Sometimes I lie to them.
Yeah.
And I have to lie, even though that I was not paid anything a dime. But when I come back, I'll have to lie to them to convince them that
to make them understand that
where they pay me. I'll have to lie where when I came out and they pay me so amount, whereas I was not paid a dime. So but as time goes on, we now begin to see people now respect their outside, people now address them. Sometimes when you are motor, some drivers will just help them. Like we movie. So they now begin to pick interest. So today now I think my mom, she's proud of me, and even my late father.
Yeah, he was proud of you before he passed on.
I think he's still proud of me.
Ladies and gentlemen, we at Gorilla Multimedia wish to interest you in our services, which includes movie production, from pre-production to post-production, MC for your events to create funniest times, red carpet services for your events, event coverage, and lots more. We also have a department called the G-Sign, where we print on shirts, caps, cups, wedding cards, flex, SAV, and lots more. For more info, contact us on 081-79-111-024. Gorilla Multimedia Services. Quality at its finest.
I love Gorilla Multimedia.
respect. So Bekeno Yeni, that was a fantastic one. I go in a how where would you marry? Because I'm not to say it, you understand. But whatever we say here, most times we get information from the audience out there, you know, that happens to be your fan. You understand? Your fans are me. So, you know, a lot of them still make us understand. Say, or my year on my dog. It's now where more done. It's now where we have engagement ring on your hand, on your fingers. It's now where we marriage lay. You say. So a lot of people, a lot of gossips from every angle. You understand? So we really want to know, because here where I believe you are here to make them understand. You have a kiss. Are you married, or we married? You not divorced? If the marriage was not going well, so you make them understand.
Okay. First and foremost, I'm not married. I've never been married. Okay. And I don't have the intention of marrying and later
with divorce.
With divorce, no. Okay. It's not my intention.
Okay.
Yes. My mother got married to my father. So it is a good thing when maybe marry. I'm not married. Not that I really don't want to. I want to. But you see, it is very good when you are married. When you are marriage is not a thing when you want something just because you want to do it. At the end, you have yourself to blame. You don't listen to what people are saying that probably I want to please these people. Many are crying over them. Marriage, it's a lifetime thing. A
lifetime affair to enjoy.
That's it. It's a school that you never graduate. Okay. I have been into a relationship. Okay. But since it doesn't go well with me, then to my satisfaction, that their demand is something I know that I cannot cope with. Also, a lot of guys are coming around, but we are not accepting it for who you are, for whom I am. So a lot of them believe entertainment now. Like when the film I'm waiting it. My brother, me only a call no ere. Money no believe where when I wear waiting and you about wet there. You know, your body hallelujah. A movie no. Okay. Do me work when you work ballet to a reference time or me wear rest time. Okay. So because of that thing, I believe almost all the females in the entertainment industry, they can attest to this, to what I'm saying now. It's a big challenge to us in our relationship. You understand? But I'm warming up by the grace of God.
So meaning we should be expecting,
yes,
your declaration.
And marriage thank you for giving me this.
Where we marriage, me marry ba. We tamu wa we marry. Can you imagine?
We marriage lay. Okay. I can't hide it now. Let me. No for we gbele
na wa. We dey me no ma say no.
No, marriage no ma go. You know, the marriage the whole world will know. We marriage, and I have no kids anywhere. If I have one, glory be to God, I'll be so glad, so proud to show them to the world where we men are in. But it may be, and by the grace of God, you have your home.
And even I'm not salo boy.
How do you know?
Chop loco. Still on it. Okay, now talking about men. So that's if the wrong people they are coming. I don't address. I know it's not my right. It's not my right, it's not my duty to accept or to address, this set of people as the wrong people. But I just believe where so maybe they are not meant for you. So this okay, if I ask you now on your own, what kind of a man? Because I never know how many people don't come your way, but you get one word when many people they talking where man. They should check, understand. So on your own, what kind of a man do you seek?
Well,
at least this kind of a man when you know say it will make you.
Well, my kind of man.
Okay.
is first of all that man must have a fear of God. We mom must igbaleta every day work beta trousers se ko win the church we dey yin no ba be a church no. At least that man must have fear of God. Oh, and where Osalobuaro. Okay. Like a guy named my way back one normally. Oh, I mean, matter sevani. Oh, where there is no God. Okay. From that day, guy, how can you just possibly
wholeheartedly
where there is no God?
Okay.
So you expect if there is such a man will not come to me where he are
no matter what he does
because two different
people when I don't see things from a different perspective.
I'm somebody who love God and I love going to church. Okay. In fact, the industry they know me. Sometimes they call me church girl. I don't care because my backbone Baba God. And so that my kind of mouth, we are no saloba no more. Keke will be aware. Only understanding. Oh, we are knowing where if me now, you or mommy who a movie where over Yahweh. We are not until you book do work away. In here, Okoniari na ge movie also bano. Igbai get here. Egbo bi abe oni. Wa me wan yon honu pa yon wa ro me bugu here. A location back where. And that no do acting otherwise we come here to ikole. Obono pari e. Yo be. Egbo bi abe oni. Me ma we me bi obi ani ge. O ma ga kuku o. O ma ga fofua o. O ma ya feri obomu so yen we. Ami wa nari me. We boyo no we. Ami won le ru e obi ogwe. No. O sabo aberi obi ani oyobo if sorry me good. But at least the man should be average. Okay. No success. No fake be. Okay. Or be fake be so okobe no. But at least have a way hope bia na obesi yo. Have me adai. No obogbe. Okay. Gui. Okay. Me mi obo bia no go bogbe ege. Ye me future. Because bomak buwe. That is why you work every day and night. Yeah. Bia no go boy ki otomere we bona. Otomi avigo re but otomi moto ni no ni fina otomo muere. Ayi je mere we bore. Omi moto ni fina na omuere. Oguje meja oji. O ma big minedin. E Dangote. No yo baba no we gube de ogijaji. Me han wo eyan bi bia no nya e Caesar. E company abi obi amaka we neri e me so we nege. So we na me rabi yo tano me go bi oni gbo bia me on me mi aduwe me nu we yo bu we be yawo e gbo bia bi oni e me gba lo.
All right, Noella Ediku, aka I Am Wet, just made her intention known to people, openly, and said, this is what I want. You understand? And if you don't say me, you don't fall into the category. I don't say me, you don't come. But if you come, anything when you see, you go get them. All right, still on it, Mama. So I believe when we're winning now, where you, due to the way you take the vast and the way you don't, reach for the industry on your own, I believe it's supposed to get metal. Person when you look up to, person when you see man you admire, person and automatically as you admire them, it can be like say our ways of living they inspire you. So you make in this industry among the female actress,
for this Bini generally.
Let's say Bini. I'm
not really looking up to somebody.
Yeah, Bini. Okay, what about outside Bini here generally in Nigeria and internationally? Beyond self, if anything, they are beyond internationally.
Well, if you are looking at maybe they Nollywood.
Yeah. No, when you said Nollywood, everybody in Nollywood. That's why I say Nollywood starts with Nigeria. We in Nigeria. So everybody here, whether Igbo movie, Hausa movie, we are Nollywood.
That's what I'm saying.
So who you they look up to generally?
Somebody I'm really looking up to.
Somebody you admire a lot.
So
but somebody you really want to be like.
Okay. Somebody I really want to be like is Janet Imaji. Because you know why I like her? She's so reserved.
Okay.
She doesn't compete.
Okay.
She lives a very kind of quiet life.
Okay.
You don't really see her parabolates and all that. So she's somebody I look up to. I also want to aim high. I mean, people want to be greater than her. That's my vision.
Iye. Ona ini no down no more kono you.
What? Oh no mama. This he goat. Oh no mama. One more kono me. No papa say you gbe na. Oh na 419. Where? Oh sorry. Where? Italemero, imare do talemeno bun. O gba mo egbe ni a. Udo amugo yo hun. Mu da era ga ho.
No, mama. Let me say something here. Harry, do I know you?
Yeah, I did see ye.
Do I know you?
I said the see. I go now assess no mind.
Yeah. Come on. Precious. What's the meaning of this?
Yeah, let me borrow this word from AY.
Okay.
He said it's kind of a brand that is competing with itself.
Okay.
Same here. I'm the kind of brand that competes
with yourself only and yourself alone.
Yes. Sometimes
you believe in yourself?
I believe in myself. Sometimes I tell myself, sometimes when I'm done in a movie, I say, no, I did do it.
Okay.
So
even when people, even when people do see it as, you've given them their best,
yes,
you still have a reason to, call yourself back, to sit on your own and say, no, this is not what I expect. You've done wrong.
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, meaning no, if you now because here we can so now if we say okay, move channel who Noella they look up to, automatically we should channel our focus towards that area of Genevieve energy. That is a nice one and a fantastic one. Trust me when I said I will be right back. Don't go anywhere. Don't take a step further. Don't take a step backward. Stand still.
Ona ni mewe le wanu ye kama wewe ye ka mi men me tama wewe me me la ku me mate la ku ko si wewe kama wewe me tu me la ku
Dino iye me Dino we ngwe tara da ununa ka ki pa me ngwe je na e ba ye we de ke ije me taye Dino go ma ka me we love me still on it. I will not be mana wune. Mama, you being an accountant because I still address you as an accountant. You understand? So, and you said something not quite long. You made a fundamental statement, and that was you look for work. See, I can't consider the stress of how you to go back and how you to go through all these things. Come okay now. Let me check the next job. After all, this is what I have passion for. So now you are here. If you now can't see accountant work now, they can't call you for one bank now. Second one. You gladly accept it. For now, I don't get opportunity. Yeah. Since they call me for acting. To me, it's not really all about the payment. Yeah, the funds. It's passion. Yeah. I just love acting. I enjoy doing it. Okay. So I don't get opportunity to come work for this film, but I just reject them. So for now, even if I see that kind of work, I come wear suits. I can't go to count money for bank. They can't, most especially another person money. Okay. No. Okay. You don't detest it, but you don't have time for that for now. I don't have time. So you will change your mind later. Okay. Okay. I get the picture. So, meanwhile, on behalf of everything when they happen for the industry, you get one thing when they say me still the trend. They say gossips. Inside the industry. Yes. Gossips, and most especially amongst the women. Yes. I say gossips. This one, you go ask this one. Person whenever see Noella, where Noella day now. Person whenever see Noella for more than
6 months, he go just tell you say well I just dey come up for where I dey now, but this you know like that. So wetin be your contribution over that issue?
My contribution be say
you agree say industry gossips dey abi
plenty now.
Okay, the condemnation and all.
A condemnation and part. See,
I'm talking about among your colleagues.
Na him. Okay. Na part of us.
Okay.
If they don't condemn me, like me, I dey welcome critics.
Okay.
If you don't criticize me, I not go learn and I not go change.
Okay.
Except when you call they condemn me, you know, like you say I don't take put on now. You know, say this you are not doing. I'm away with your dad. There's something somebody my tell me location one time. You soon. In a hamia where if not say na man get malame because man come here tell me o me dey gini me. What do I say? Ahua be me tell kita do ate boy one orinya. What can. So it's part of the game. Yeah. Even Christ himself. Osalobua Jesus Christ no wunima. Yeah. E mona gbon even ye kwe rekuje ba ke ninu ama wa ye be bion agbon ye be bere bi no ye be awo ma ana je be a criticize e we okay no chon osalobua olu. Ama women no wana go keka. You see people will always talk about you. Yeah. Either in a good way or in a bad way. So entertainment is man when money ko ama ye gi ma ama ye ma no ninye.
Yeah, gossips.
Ikwe ba total na ha ba koto nya ba amo se ninye. No so ni me wo ewe my have enough for no be no ba zo we. So but I will tell them please even if you have to talk about somebody and do that person good as well to like go straight to that person.
Na flop
na ma. Ma ba ninye gbima ka bo bungbe. O bungbe that to the essence. E so he wetin awe na we ma on no uyo bonu we. E me le bi de gbesa lo ba no la. No ye mana go no na we ni ana me. No we say. They should narrate me to my helper. That's just it. So you can't take it from them. There's no remedy. If anybody is looking for remedy to it, there's no remedy. It's a natural thing.
I feel learning. So that is your judgment. Okay, now so now we just discuss the gossips amongst your colleagues. Now, okay, now let's check the criticism. Let's take a step forward. A step further. As a result of you see outsiders, the fan. People classify as the fan. So say DM still get their own criticism.
Big one.
Over most especially the Benin movie actors and actresses. The finance aspect of it, they not to get money. And they classify this same set of people as local people on behalf of they do watch their movie constantly. But that does not change the fact that finally they do classify them as local people. And you as an accountant, you don't you get another fiction. So how you think they handle the criticism?
Hello there! Have you ever wondered where you can get quality design and prints for your ideas and concepts? Then look no further, as Gorilla Multimedia is here for you. At Gorilla Multimedia, we undertake printing services of all kinds. We design and print on t-shirts and souvenirs, printing of photo books, photo album, and exquisite framing of your photos. We also offer a cartoon and artistic drawing representation of any of your photos in either the framed or the unframed option. Don't just sit there, contact us today on 081 79 111 024. Gorilla Multimedia Services. Quality at its finest.
Educated as you are going to do Benin movie, look her.
You see, as I said before, I welcome criticism. Runda, akobenya si one way. Owe ke no be mano meme. Yeah. Ke we no gbejo bi e ba. When you know you are anywhere, man we move your head where they are local people. Who are you?
Okay.
We do we
okay.
How we do?
Okay.
There you are local. Okay. In fact, you are worse.
Okay.
Because in movie, there is nothing like even the difference. Remember, as an even no different with movie or a language.
Yeah.
Okay, good. It can be Yoruba. It can be also can be whatever.
Yeah.
Even now, English movie ni. My dear brother, but when you go out there, you say a webo, they will tell you there are great Benin people over there. They are doing well.
Yeah.
But how many of them have really take it upon themselves where let me come and invest
in this Benin movie?
Yes. They just sit down there and talk trash. To me, I call it trash. The trash where I do the
trash can.
If you and say this thing is not good, what contribution are you making to make sure this thing they get it better? Error or say we go nowhere. Why will you born in my way moving now? So when these people they not try,
because most of them they believe where now they get money now, waiting now still they use the same people know how we go wrong. Or say we go near they don't have where wamigo. So why I will not be so na monu na one still use and take time. So what's your
because my dear brother, it is not an easy thing for somebody to bring out 1 million. We have a movie.
Yeah.
Then you will not sit down in one corner to tell that person where you know nigga idioma or here log or na here we be do work we na we me we or we ma. So man dey there do emi ma je mama go about you no matter where yeah even about mommy na e so about watch e obeni aba me na we oba me that platform oye remote area he ba ni re boss here see you do apprentice oba amu he boy no makiana oba kiana here do aka me the other person where hey what it say they do what we only agbemi agbon. Do you know what it takes for somebody to like sit down one day or to put the idea together with those swing? No. It takes a lot. It takes courage and boldness. You have succeed here. You succeed here. Even they must succeed. Let me just try. So when somebody now do have a where it tries to not fearful. Your own is you are going forward, and you surely get it. So
well, still on it, Mom, I suppose you are a success already without thinking twice. You understand? Because here we will go back and okay. So I believe you're supposed to have advice. You understand? For the upcomers, when wants to be like you, when they admire you, the same way they admire that woman when they up there. You understand? There are still a lot of people. So on behalf of the criticism and all, so what? Because those upcomers, they don't face more than 1,001 because the information they encourage some. If they discourage some, say, I beg, even if I want to start, these people when they there, wait till they don't get. You don't understand. So what will be your advice for these upcomers?
Yes. Oyibo people they say no trial, no success. Who venture in?
Okay.
Don't let anybody talk you out of your vision. Where you try.
Okay.
Because if you know that this is your calling, face it. Like anybody, like a lot of people discourage me. That's why today I can never one day fail to appreciate my sister, who always tell me, babe, you will get there. She called me babe. She's my younger sister. At the time I was Iggy on because of the heat, no care. I mean director, no care, your fellow actors, but she told me, don't give up. Continue. At the time where it cannot debug. So I'm telling every upcomer or everyone or everybody out there who have the mind, who have passion for this job, I want to come into movie making. I want to be acting movie. My dear, if you are convinced that yes, you are fit in, then come in. People would like to drag you back. They would like to try to advise you where do it. Just don't listen to them if you know that you can do it. Because few when a fine boy that I did, when we were in that location, I face a lot of oppression. Like, we day here.
Yeah.
All those one we day here.
Yeah.
This one don't join.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And we dey run things.
Yeah.
But when I went there, I went to play just forces.
Yeah.
But I told myself, God, I'm here. I don't care whether you come with a replay or
Yeah.
me. I'm here to do my own beat.
Yeah.
And I played my role. To the glory of God, my first award came as a result of that movie.
From that movie, yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, after then, I got another award.
Yeah.
Then, after that one, just few months ago, this same job after 2 years, over Lajane, on a big go viral.
Yeah.
I was called for an interview. This is a movie I played for since.
And meanwhile, there are a lot of people that
played
played
20,
more than
15, 16. If you ask some people, they don't even know they were there.
Yeah.
But the person they can still pick out of that
Yeah.
film. So, only one of my wife too, no, where egg your mom, where you are going on my go, name me, I am semi or this. No, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. That's it.
Mama, check me. All right, Remix still on the platform, still with your boy, the citizen. Call me the prodigal son. I am still with my sister, my very own. When I mean my very own, I believe you don't need any confirmation to know that I am referring to Noella Ediku, aka I am wet. Me don't soak since the
Yep, my people, it's your girl Noella Ediku, aka oh my god, I am wet. Keep watching the platform. Don't touch the dark.
Over this useless career and we're to use. On a he, Nimagina do a room in a guinea. Come on, when you in new way. Because of this useless career.
I know.
Everybody come on, he just didn't say no way.
Bombo Cla, fire burn the wicked.